What exactly is a fish, you ask? Well, let's dive right in and find out. Fish are incredible creatures with some unique characteristics. Pointing to the split screen, look closely. Fish have gills that help them breathe underwater. Continuing, they also have fins, which help them swim smoothly through the water. Excitedly, and here's a fun fact. Fish come in all shapes and sizes, from the tiniest guppy to the giant whale shark. But where can we find these fascinating fish? Fish live in all sorts of places, like coral reefs, rivers, deep sea trenches, and even in ponds. Let's uncover some more fun fish facts. Did you know that some fish can change colors to hide from predators or to communicate with each other? And here's another one. Fish have a superb sense of taste. They can taste things in the water just by swimming through it.